Today we are at home because coronavirus is spreading. Our schools are closed. We are at home for 2 or more weeks. I don't know what am I supposed to do. I can't go anywhere, so I decided to make an apple crumble. This is my sister Mansa. She is very helpful. Today she helps me in the kitchen. For apple crumble you need some flour, sugar, butter, water, cream and 3 apples. What? This isn't real apple. It's made of glass. The first you have to peel 3 apples, then slice them. Put it to a pot with some water, add some sugar. Then boil it for 10 minutes. Take another bowl and make the mixture with flour, butter and sugar. Mix it with fork. Put the apples into a baking tray. Sprinkle mixture by apples. Then put it into an oven for 30 minutes. Bake it on 200 degrees. Serve it warm with cream or ice cream. I made this dessert by this recipe. It's very delicious. Enjoy it!
Thanks for watching. Bye!